toy pack.
Hi guys, we get a surprise bag from Frozen. Wow. I like surprise bag. Wow. There's a lot of things inside. Ooh. Wow. Ooh. Wow. I get a Supergirl. Wow. Wow. Hi, Supergirl. Ooh. I need to help people. Ooh. She wearing a blue and red costume and red pouch. Wow, she also has a long hair. Wow. I like this Supergirl. And the next we have a surprise egg. Wow. This is a candy cat. Oh. And then Peppa Pig. This is a gift surprise. Now, let me open. Oh. What is this? It's a daddy pig. Oh. What is this? Wow. I got a friend stamp. Now let me try. Wow. It's a daddy pig. It's a color blue stamp. Let me try. Wow. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 4. I make a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, I love it. Thank you, Daddy Pig. And we have, wow, what is this? Let me open. Wow, it's a candy inside of the daddy's gift pack. Look, it's a candy. Yummy. I like candy. And then we have also here, we have a collection from the trolls. Wow. I love trolls. Let me open. Oh. Wow, there's a lot of characters here. We have here one pack of trolls collection. And who is this? Wow. Do you know who is this, guys? I think it's a girl. Yes, it's a girl, and this is Zor-El. Zor-El is, she loves to help people who need help. Wow. She have a blue color here. Wow. And have it's just a little moon in her clothes. Wow, I love it. I think she's sleepy. And then the next we have, and we have also, who is this? Let me open. Oh, it's George. Hi, George. Dinosaur is in your clothes. Wow, I love George. Oink, oink. Rrr. And then we have also the yellow one. Wow. Oh. Peppa is wearing a red clothes and then have a letter Q at the back. Wow, I love Peppa. Say hi, Peppa, to everyone. Hi, guys. And then, oh, what is this, guys? Peppa and George, are you hungry? We have here the Kinder Joy. Wow, I love Barbie. I'm very excited to open what inside. Let me open. I can't wait to open like. Wow, we have a 3 egg. Look. Wow. I think it's yummy. It's a chocolate flavor. Let me open. Wow. I love it. Wow. Ooh. There's a spoon and what is this? Oh. Wow. Wow, yummy. Wow. It's a white cream. And then we have a chocolate. 2 chocolate. 1, 2. Wow. It's yummy. George, you want some chocolate milk? You want some chocolate with cream, George? I love it. And then, what is this? Oh, wow. We have a Barbie. Oh, I love it. Look, guys. Need to put it like this. Wow, so sexy. And then, what is this? Wow, it's a bag. Okay. And what else? Oh, I think this is a stand. Yeah, it's a stand. And then I need to put it back here. Just like that. Wow. I like it. And there's another one. Oh, there's a puzzle. Wow, look. There's a lot of Barbie here. Any kind of Barbie. Whoa. There's a puzzle. Oh, I know this bag. This bag is here. I need to put the bag in this area. Just like that, guys. Wow, it's very nice. And what is this? Oh, it's the sticker. Look, it's the sticker. Maybe I get one for you guys. And I need to put in my hand. Wow. And then we have here also, what is this? Oh. It's not allowed for 0 to 3 years old. Wow, this only for the girl. Hi Barbie, you're so sexy. And I love your chocolate. Wow. There's a lot more, guys. Now we need to open. Wow. Look. I know what is inside. It's the chocolate. And then I need to open the Barbie because I love Barbie. Oh, what is this? It's not a Barbie. It's a black cat. Oh my god. And what is this? I don't know yet. Now we need to find a way. Wow. I know. This color yellow we need to put at the top of the top like this, and then push it. Wow, just like this. Wow, amazing. And then this color red need to put at the top of the head of the cat. Just like this, guys. And then push. Wow, just like that. Wow, it's so cute. I love it. Wow. And the third one. And then the third one. Wow. Uh-oh. What is this, guys? I think this is a dinosaur. Oh. Let me see. Wow. Ooh. It's a dinosaur. Wow. I love it. Now we have a green dinosaur. And then we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. Now we need to symbol this one by using this copy. First is the head, and then the second one is this one. We need to put inside like this, and then the third one like this. Is it, guys? Oh yeah, like this. And then the third one like this. And then the last one have a tail. Look. Wow, it's a very nice. Is it right, guys? Wow, it's the same. Hello. George, I have a dinosaur. And then we have a last one, a mystery box. Oh. 3 milk chocolate eggs with a mini chocolate collection inside. Wow, it's 3 out of 3. Oh, look, guys. It's Mickey Mouse. Wow. I love it. So, I'm very excited to open this box. Oh, I think this is a chocolate, and then there's a mystery inside of the chocolate. So, let's open. Wow, I love it. There's a 3 egg. Wow. Here's the 3 egg. Look. Let me open. Wow. It's a chocolate egg. Wow, I love chocolate, guys. Let me crack it. Knock knock. Wow. Wow, it's a yummy chocolate, and then there's a mysterious box inside. Wow. Let me eat later. So, what's this? What is this, guys? Oh, it's a Mickey Mouse. Wow. And what is this? Oh, it's a red shoes. I need to put shoes for Mickey Mouse. Wow. And then what is this? Oh, it's a bag. Wow, I love it. Hello. And then we need to open the second one. Oh, wait a minute. I forgot to use this one. Oh, it's only a symbol. Then this head is... Oh, I see. Look, guys. So I have a symbol here. Look, it's the head, and it's a bag, and the shoes. It's a head, it's a body, it's a shoes, it's a bag. So we need to put together the body and the head, and then the shoes, and then the bag. Wow. Oh. Okay. Oh. Hi, Barbie. So the second one. Wow. Then the second one. It's the same. Wow. It's the same, guys. So we have two. We have two Mickey Mouse. Hello. And then the third one. This is 3 out of 3. So we have 3 eggs, and then we have 3 mini collections inside. Oh! Who is this, guys? Whoa. What is this? Oh! So it's a head, it's a body, it's a shoes, and it's a red ribbon. It's a head, it's a body, wow, I love it. So we have 3 eggs. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 chocolate egg, and then we have 3 mini collection inside. Wow, I love it. Thank you for watching. Bye.